Hi, 3 days later in my creepy voice. So yeah, it's 3 days later and I noticed some of my parts were off. Yes. So it's okay. It's okay if you notice that your parts are off 3 days later, and fix them if you can. If not, it's okay. But I would suggest fixing them if they're a little off and you notice them like big time, because other people might notice your parts are off big time as well. So with that being said, I've already broken this side down. I had to redo the top because the parts were like, when you look right at me, they were like off and it was weird. So I took them down and I redid them, and let me show you what I am talking about. The parts going this way were fine, but the parts going across were way off, like way off. So I had to go in and redo it. It was just gonna drive me crazy. So I said, let me just go ahead and redo it, and it'll pay off dividends in the end. So that's what I did. That's what I did. It's gonna save me time and money. I've already done this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and break down this side as well. Comb. This is the comb that you really should be using when you are doing your twists or your braids or anything where you really need a part. Let me know what you think in the comments, if you like it thicker, bigger parts, or if you like the smaller parts. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye. Who would have known that this was just a very easy hairstyle, and the men seem to like it too. I'm just saying.